21. Goggles protect eyes from impact, dust, and splashes. A. True. B. False. A. True. 22. Who is responsible for removing locks and tags after the work is completed? The person who put them on, the field supervisor, the customer, none of the above. The person who put them on. 23. Grease filters shall be installed at an angle no less than degrees from the horizontal. A. 45. B. 90. C. 180. D. None of the above. A. 45. 24. When climbing and descending ladders, you should A. Face the ladder. B. Hold on with both hands. C. Check shoes for slippery conditions. D. All of the above. D. All of the above. 25. Grease duct systems shall be interconnected with other building ventilations or exhaust systems. A. True. B. False. D. False. 26. All fans must be locked and tagged before cleaning service begins on them. A. True. B. False. A. True. 27. The purpose of the lockout tagout procedure is to prevent the accidental startup of equipment that could cause personal injury to workers. A. True. B. False. A. True. 28. Where personal entry is not possible on a vertical duct, access shall be provided. A. On every floor. B. On every second floor. C. On every third floor. D. None of the above. A. On every floor. 29. Air purifying respirator means A. Respirator that has air supply to it. B. Respirator with an air purifying filter. C. Respiratory inlet cover. D. None of the above. B. Respirator with an air purifying filter. 30. Access panel shall have a gasket that is A. Rated for 1800 Fahrenheit in grease tight. B. Rated for 1500 Fahrenheit in liquid tight. C. Rated for 1800 Fahrenheit in liquid tight. D. Rated for 1500 Fahrenheit in grease tight. D. Rated for 1500 Fahrenheit in grease tight. 31. Confined space means A. Employee can bodily enter and perform scheduled work. B. Has limited means to entry and exit. C. Is not designed for continuous human occupancy. D. All of the above. All of the above. 32. The edges of access panel shall not be less than inches from the outside edges of the duct or weld seams. A. 1 3/4. B. 1 1/2. C. 2. D. 2 1/2. B. 1 1/2. 33. Ducts shall have constructed of and supported by carbon steel not less than MSG or stainless steel less than MSG. A. 18 and 16. B. 18 and 20. C. 16 and 18. D. 20 and 18. C. 16 and 18. 34. All duct seams, joints, and penetrations shall have a continuous external weld. A. Airtight. B. Grease tight. C. Liquid tight. D. All of the above. C. Liquid tight. 35. Employers must communicate hazard information through SDS and training programs. A. Slideshows. B. Word of mouth. C. Labels. D. None of the above. C. Labels. 36. HEPA filters are at least efficient in removing particles of micrometers. A. 98.97% and 0.33. B. 99.97% and 0.33. C. 98.97% and 0.3. D. 99.97%, and 0.3. D. 99.97% and 0.3. 37. Fans shall drain grease out into a collection container that is A. Plastic, open and rainproof. B. Non-combustible, closed and rainproof. C. Combustible, closed and waterproof. D. Any of the above. B. Non-combustible, closed and rainproof. 38. Chemical hazard information is obtained from and A. Shipping box and label. B. SDS and website. C. SDSs and labels. D. None of the above. C. SDSs and labels. 39. Where a fan is attached to the ductwork, it shall be a minimum of inches away from the roof surface. A. 12. B. 16. C. 18. D. 20. C. 18. 40. The fan shall discharge a minimum of inches from any roof surface. A. 20. B. 40. C. 60. D. 80. B. 40.